In this video tutorial, you will learn how to register a project in the MyMilestone reseller portal. First, we need to log into MyMilestone. We enter our name and password and then select Login. We select Reseller Portal. If the reseller portal doesn't appear in your MyMilestone account, contact your Milestone representative to request access. We select Project Registration. If Project Registration doesn't appear as an available option, contact your Milestone representative to request access. After estimating the hardware, we register a project. When we do this, we have the opportunity to receive additional discounts. In addition, we can track and manage our projects online. Beyond that, the tool allows Milestone to have more insight into our business so they will know where we need support. We enter the opportunity name, expected purchase date, preferred camera manufacturer, number of cameras, and solution partner if there is one. We can select a preferred distributor if we want. It's also good to know if there is a competitor. With this information, Milestone can give us support material to help make the sale. Next, we select the product. Then we'll add customer information to complete the form and select Submit. The form has moved to New Projects and is pending Milestone review. Let's select Action to review the details we've entered. After our review, we select the X to close the window. You just saw how to register a project in the MyMilestone reseller portal. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.